It's midnight. You're staring at your phone. You just got a massive raise and thought you'd finally made it. But why does your bank balance on the 25th still bring the exact same anxiety you felt 3 years ago? Before you blame inflation or your energy bills, let's look at the hidden machinery that quietly empties your bank account the moment you start making more money. If you've ever wondered where your raise actually went, hit that subscribe button to Money Levels. We decode the games money plays on your mind. Meet Oliver. At 32, his hard work paid off with a promotion, bumping his salary to £75,000 a year. It felt like the right time to upgrade. Soon, a premium electric vehicle sat in his driveway, secured through a finance contract. He moved into a brighter apartment with a better city view and upgraded to a luxury gym membership. It all felt completely natural, a logical transition for his new status. His friends and colleagues looked on with genuine admiration. To the outside world, Oliver was finally winning. But inside his laptop, the spreadsheet was telling a completely different story. It starts quietly. The moment that new contract is signed and the bigger numbers hit your bank account, something subtle shifts inside your mind. You tell yourself you've earned it, and you have. But then, an invisible expectation creeps in. You look around at your colleagues, your peers, and the people in your new income bracket, and you begin to redefine what a normal life looks like. For Oliver, the change wasn't sudden or reckless. It happened one small choice at a time. The local pub where he used to enjoy a casual weekend pint with mates slowly got replaced by trendy, high-end restaurants in the city center. The modest, budget-friendly holidays he used to plan on discount websites turned into carefully curated, aesthetic boutique getaways. After all, a system engineer earning £75,000 shouldn't be staying in cheap motels anymore, right? That is the subtle lie we tell ourselves. But here is the real trap of lifestyle inflation. None of these upgrades bring lasting happiness. The thrill of the premium car or the nicer view lasts for a month or two, and then the excitement completely fades. The luxury gym membership ceases to feel like a treat. It simply becomes the new baseline. Yesterday's luxury silently morphs into today's absolute necessity. And just like that, Oliver found himself tightly locked inside an exhausting financial loop. To fund this newly elevated image and keep up appearances, he had to keep spending every single extra pound he made. And to keep making that kind of money, he had to endure more stress, longer hours, and heavier workloads at his office. He was making far more money than he ever had in his 20s, yet he felt more enslaved by his monthly bills than ever before. He was running faster and faster on a treadmill, just to stay in the exact same place. On paper, Oliver is a success story. He sits in the top tier of earners, making £75,000 a year. Yet, if you log into his banking app right now and look past the shiny interface, his actual savings account holds less than £500. Every single month, his substantial paycheck arrives, and every single month, it completely vanishes. It isn't spent on wild, headline-grabbing luxuries. Instead, his net cash flow has been quietly sliced into tiny pieces by a dozen new fixed commitments. The direct debits for the premium car finance, the higher apartment rent, the luxury gym, and the upscale weekend dinners bleed his account dry before the month even hits the halfway mark. This is the fragile reality of the fake rich trap. It feels completely sustainable as long as every single day goes exactly according to plan. But life rarely works that way. Picture what happens when a sudden crisis hits. A major component on his premium electric car fails, presenting a massive four-figure repair bill he didn't see coming. Or worse, his company announces unexpected corporate restructuring, and his secure position is suddenly at risk. Without an emergency fund, Oliver's beautifully curated lifestyle collapses like a house of cards. One broken part or one bad corporate meeting is all it takes to puncture the balloon. There is absolutely no buffer underneath the performance. Staring at his screen at midnight, a cold realization washes over Oliver. He is actually far more vulnerable today than he was years ago when he earned £45,000 and lived a simple, minimal life. Back then, he had a modest safety net and very few heavy financial obligations. By climbing the career ladder and accepting a larger paycheck, he accidentally traded his financial security for a temporary appearance of wealth. His income went up, but his actual stability completely disappeared. This financial suffocating has a scientific name, and it is the single biggest tax you will ever pay without realizing it. We need to talk about why this happens. It isn't a lack of intelligence or discipline. It is a psychological phenomenon known as lifestyle creep. But I prefer to look at it as an invisible tax. The moment your income increases, society quietly levies an expectation tax on you. It demands that your car matches your new job title. It insists that your postcode reflects your current tax bracket. It convinces you that your old life is no longer good enough. If you do not actively fight it, you pay this expectation tax automatically, month after month, without even realizing it. This is where we must understand the fundamental difference between looking rich and actually being free. Looking rich has never been easier. Anyone with a decent credit score can lease a shiny status symbol or rent a beautifully lit lifestyle by the month. But being free is entirely different. Freedom means waking up and knowing that you own your time, that an unexpected emergency cannot shake your foundation, and that your daily survival does not depend on next month's paycheck. Every single pound Oliver spends on upgrading to a luxury car or a larger flat is a pound stripped away from his actual freedom. It is a pound that can never experience the quiet, compounding magic of investment. Let's look at the math, because the numbers provide the ultimate clarity. When Oliver's salary jumped by £30,000, his monthly take-home pay increased significantly. Imagine if he had chosen a different path. Imagine if he decided to keep living exactly as he did before, maintaining his modest, comfortable baseline. What if he took just £1,500 of that new monthly surplus and quietly diverted it into a broad, diversified ETF? Over the long term, at a historically average market return, that boring, invisible £1,500 a month would quietly build upon itself. Over 10 years, it wouldn't just be a safety net, it would grow into a life-changing fortune. A six-figure fortress that buys ultimate choice. Instead of owning a driveway full of rapidly depreciating metal, Oliver would own his future. This is just an illustrative example to help you understand the power of long-term compounding. Your actual results will depend on your income, expenses, returns, and investment choices. When you look through this lens, the illusion of the fake rich trap completely shatters. You realize you are trading your finite life energy to buy things you don't truly need, just to perform for an audience that isn't really watching. The good news is, once you recognize this invisible tax, you can choose to file for an exemption. Recognizing the trap was Oliver's turning point. He realized that if he wanted true security, he had to stop playing by society's unwritten rules. He decided to completely restructure his financial mindset, starting with an unglamorous but revolutionary rule: pay yourself first. He chose to freeze his lifestyle, deliberately putting off any new upgrades that didn't bring genuine value to his life. Instead of waiting to see what was left at the end of the month, which was usually nothing, Oliver set up a system to automate his financial future. Now, the very moment his £75,000 salary hits his account, a significant portion is instantly and quietly swept away, before he even has a chance to log in, look at the balance, or tempt himself with impulse purchases. That money is automatically divided. A portion goes straight into a dedicated emergency fund to build a solid, reliable buffer, and the rest goes directly into his long-term investments. At first, it felt strange to see a smaller number available for his daily expenses. But very quickly, a completely new feeling took over. For the first time in his career, Oliver felt a deep, genuine sense of control over his life. The lingering anxiety that used to keep him awake at midnight began to wash away, replaced by a quiet confidence. He no longer looked at external markers of success or sought the nods of approval from people around him. Instead, he found a profound peace in watching his invisible wealth slowly grow on a simple digital screen. He stopped performing for an audience that didn't care and started investing in a future that did. Real wealth is simply what you don't see. Every single pound you spend on maintaining a fake rich appearance is a pound you steal from your own freedom. If this video gave you a new perspective on your paycheck, drop a comment below with your thoughts. Hit like and subscribe to Money Levels. See you in the next level.